Ready to learn? Come sing with me. It's time for fun on TutorMe. 1, 2, 1, 2, TutorMe, dancing through the day. Phonics and stories, the fun learning way. Grammar and vocab, bright like the sun. Comprehension power, let's get it done. With Jennifer here, we laugh and learn. For knowledge and kindness, it's always our turn. So many cool things we're gonna see right here on 1, 2, TutorMe. Let's shine and grow, don't miss the show. 1, 2.
Meet our short vowel superstars. Each vowel has a special sound and a special friend to help you learn it. Annie Apple says A is for apple, hat, and cat. Let's act it out together. Eddie Elephant shouts Eh, eh. Excellent! Short E is in bed, red, and gnat. Izzy Inchworm wriggles in. Short I is incredible. Listen for it in pig, lip, and zip. Oscar Octopus waves ah ah. Wow! Short O shows up in pot, log, and hop. Umbrella pops open. Oh! Here comes short U, like in sun, cup, and fun. Short A, as in cat. Short E, as in bed. Short I, as in pig. Short O, as in hot. Short U, as in sun. Now it's time to zoom and boom with me. Cat. Mat. Sad. Pin. Tin. Bed. Sit. Pig. Oink, oink. Win! Hooray! Big. Hot. Log. Top. Fun. Sun. Cup. Bus. Rug. Wet. Red. Go ahead. Give those words a go. all by yourself. You did it! A-E-I-O-U! You read them all like a pro! Keep practicing your short vowels, and you'll be a reading rock star in no time. See you next time!
Thanks for learning, thanks for fun. With Jen, our journey's just begun. Phonics, stories, grammar too. 1, 2, TutorMe's here for you. Laughed, we learned, we had a blast. Building skills that will surely last. So keep on reading, writing more. Adventures waiting, let's explore. Click subscribe, don't miss a beat. With Jen, learning is a treat. See you next time, friends so true. 1, 2, TutorMe says thank you.